Hello, my name is Eduardo, and I'm going to solve an exercise on how to use Git bisect to find bugs in websites. So, this is an example exercise. You can find it on GitHub by this name, Curriculum Tools Buggy Restaurant. I also have some background music, so I hope it doesn't bother you. It's from FreeCodeCamp. Alright, let's get on with it. So I'm gonna show you I have the live version of the website open here, and as you can see, the contact on the contact element on the navigation bar is not displaying the contact section. So I should before that, this tool is called GitGraph, which I find super useful to kind of understand that it gives you a graphical representation of the commits and branches of your progress or your team's progress in a project. It is an extension for VS Code, and I 100% recommend it. Right, the first thing is to run git bisect start, and because you see this blue circle over here, it tells me on which commit I am currently. And as you just saw, it was not working correctly, so I'm going to say that this commit was bad by running git bisect bad. It automatically assumes I'm referring to the commit where I am. Alright, and now we need to tell it which commit is correct, like on what commit it was working correctly, and it will search between that range from when now it's bad and before it was correct. It's going to step through the commits and ask me if it's working as I want to or not, to identify where the bug was introduced and which commit the bug was introduced. So I see these two are related to that, so I'm gonna go one before that. These two are related to changing web pages in the same website, displaying different sections. You see about yeah, you see by the description of the commit. Alright, so I'm going to copy this ID, which is from the commit that is B4, where I want to look in. And well, actually before that, I can check out to this commit, and it will show me the website, and indeed the contact section is working. So I go and say git bisect good and put in the ID of that commit. Now, as I told you before, it's going to step commit by commit, asking me if it's working correctly. So the first step is this one where it doesn't work. So I'm gonna say git bisect bad. Let's look at the web page again, because every time that I say git bisect bad, it goes one step further and refreshes the website automatically without any extra command. Oops, my bad. Once more, it was not working. It was not working. So once again, now it's working, and I should say git bisect good. So it will identify where the bug was introduced in which commit, and I'm going to need this ID for later, which is the commit where the bug was introduced. And I can say git bisect reset. Now I can say git show and the code of the commit, the ID of the commit where the bug is, and it will show me what changes were made in the files. And right here I can see a typo in contact. It should be with an A, not with an E. So I confirm that that is the bug, and it is in that commit. So now I say git revert and the ID of the commit with the bug in it. So I revert. It will ask me for a commit message to indicate that I'm going to undo that change, and I don't want to change anything in it. Alright, so if I run git log, I'll see that the revert was successfully made, and if I open the website, it is working now. It is working even though I am over here at the top. Like before it was working because I was on a previous commit, now I'm on the latest commit and it still works. So that is how you use git bisect, and hope you liked it. Hope you learned from it. Bye.